Right, we're still talking to YK and we're talking about the album, which is going to be Joker. So let's break down the album. How many songs do we have in the album?
10 songs and some collaborations on there.
How many collaborations?
There's Rwanda, there's Kenya, there's Uganda.
You have a song with Kevin Ked. Yes.
No.
I was with the band and Kevin Ked, and Kevin was like, bro, I'm working on a song with YK. So when you say Rwanda,
yeah,
he came in my mind right away.
Yeah, he's on the album, definitely. Big up on yourself, Kevin. Yeah, amazing talent, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So there's some Kenyan there. They're representing.
Who in Kenya? First, let's start there.
Your relative. That's how I was trying to get into your space. I had to begin all the way.
Who's that?
Kenya. But yeah, there's a Kenyan artist. Yeah. Watch out for that. 2 Ugandans. Those ones, even if you want what, you can't guess, but they're there. And then a couple of singles, yes.
Speaking about the producers, who are you working with on this album?
I'm a bit different from other musicians. I have this tendency of that when I'm building a body of work, I actually give 90% to one producer. So this song has 95% one producer, and then about 1 song by another producer. So it is DNY, the guy behind Salary, the guy behind, then there is Best Boy.
Best Boy is training right now.
Yeah, Best Boy is doing well for himself, big up on himself.